of you. Welcome to our channel. Today is Wednesday. And guys, coffee tayo. Camilla is still sleeping. It's already 9 a.m. in the morning. And guys, ako lang mag-isa. Tulog pa si Camilla. So, wala akong magawa. Yan. Video muna tayo. What are you doing? Good morning, Camilla. Say, hi. Good morning. Hello. Say hi. Good morning. Hi guys! Just look at the camera. I'm done with my shower. I'm already clean. Camilla! You done with your shower? Kala baby. Oh, you done? You want to sleep? You want to sleep now? Ah, look at the camera. Ayan guys, nakatulog ulit si Camilla as usual. And it's 2 already. So, I need to cook now. And, samahan niyo ko. So, ayun guys. Magluluto ako ngayon ng squid adobo with coconut. By it request. Request kasi ito ni husband. Kaya, yan. Luluto ako. Samahan niyo ko. Ayun guys. Ito na yung ingredients na squid with coconut. Ito yung mga ingredients. Vinegar, soy sauce, oil, salt, pepper, and ginger, onion, garlic, and carrots. Itong carrots guys, it's optional lang kasi gusto ko ng konting kulay sa squid. Yeah, it's up to you guys if kung gusto niyo lagyan ng carrots or hindi. Pero para sa akin, gusto kong lagyan ng carrots para hindi malungkot si squid. And ito, squid. Konti lang siya guys. 3 pieces lang to. Tapos kinat-cut ko lang ng maliliit. By it request lang tong lutong squid na to. Kaya yan. And coconut powder. Instead of coconut milk guys, I'm using the coconut powder. This kind of coconut powder, Maggi. Ito siya guys. Maganda siya guys ha. Tapos medyo malasa-lasa talaga siya. Kasi wala kami nakitang coconut milks the last time na bumili kami. So, ayan. And that's it. Guys, hulaan nyo kung sino yun. Exotic lang. Ayan guys, ready na siya. Sarap, di ba? Tawagin natin yung magja-judge nito, guys, kasi siya yung nag-request nito si Habi. Okay.
Yeah.
Ayan guys, ready na siya. Tawagin natin yung magja-judge. How is it?
Sarap.
Sarap. Good.
Very nice.
Okay. Ayan guys, I'm done with my cooking and I will close this vlog now. And I hope you're enjoying our video today. And see you on my next vlog. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.